Put safety within reach by anchoring from the ground up. The reach anchor assembly remotely attaches to a variety of elevated structures. It's compact, lightweight protection with innovative installation. The anchor connects first, without the added weight of an SRL. Then the SRL can be easily raised and secured. Before installing the reach anchor, a competent person must verify that the installation location can support the intended loads. Carefully read all instructions and ensure all parts are present before starting the installation process. Install the hook head onto the pole. Insert the magnet head into the pole mount of the clamp assembly until the magnet engages. Stand the reach anchor up with the pole on the floor and the clamp assembly facing the intended installation location. Remove the black shuttle from the green shuttle housing by pulling on its pull cord and allow it to lower to the floor. Flip the locking switch beneath the clamp assembly into its upward position. The locking switch is a safety that ensures once the anchor is installed onto the I-beam, it cannot reopen. Unlock the top flip lever on pole to start extending the pole. Ensure the black shuttle stays on the ground. Once each section of the pole is fully extended, close the flip lever to lock extension in place. Put the extension arms around the I-beam. Start at the side of the I-beam with one extension arm making contact. Tilt until both extension arms are gripping the I-beam and pull down. The anchor will progressively tighten until fully attached. Pull the pole away from the clamp assembly to disengage the magnet. Lower the pole extensions into the pole and lock the flip levers into place. Once fully compact, place pole to the side. Attach the SRL carabiner to the D-ring of the black shuttle. Do not put the carabiner through the pull cord located in the black shuttle. Attach the snap hook of the SRL to the appropriate D-ring on the user's harness if PFAS will be used immediately after installation. Raise the SRL while attached to user with the black rope until it locks into the green shuttle housing at anchor. System is now ready for use. With SRL carabiner attached to the black shuttle, use black rope to raise SRL with the connecting tagline until it locks into the green shuttle housing at anchor. Use the tagline to pull the SRL down and attach it to the appropriate D-ring on the user's harness. The system is now ready for use. Raise the pole and insert its hook head into the pull cord located in the black shuttle. Hold onto the black rope and use the pole hook to pull down on the pull cord. Use the hook head of the pole to pull the locking switch located on the clamp assembly into an unlocked downward position. Raise the magnet head to the bottom of the clamp assembly. Insert the magnet head into the pole mount of the clamp assembly. Lift up to disengage the anchor extension arms. Unlock the flip levers of the pole extension and lower the anchor. The reach anchor is a proprietary anchor for workers to remotely anchor to an elevated point, increasing safety for the first workers needing anchorage in a given at-height situation. It's compact, lightweight fall protection. Visit us online for full details.